Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive repair guide for the MS15G1 motherboard. In this video, we will take you through the essential steps to diagnose and repair common issues. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. A multimeter is also essential for testing electrical components. Begin by removing the screws from the motherboard casing. There are typically 6 screws located around the perimeter. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the casing off. Be cautious of any attached cables. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Now let's inspect the motherboard for any visible damage. Look for burnt components, bulging capacitors, or any signs of corrosion. If you notice any issues, it may be necessary to replace these components. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, we will clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This is crucial as dust can cause overheating and other issues. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid moisture buildup. After cleaning, check the solder joints on the motherboard. If you see any cracks or breaks, you may need to reflow the solder. For this, you will require a soldering iron and some solder. Heat the soldering iron and carefully apply it to the damaged joint, ensuring a good connection. Now, let's test the power supply. Using your multimeter, check the voltage output. If the readings are inconsistent, it may indicate a faulty power supply. In such cases, we recommend getting a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. If everything looks good, reassemble the motherboard. Carefully place the casing back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure all cables are properly connected before powering it on. Finally, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember, we provide collection and delivery at your home. This means you can have your device picked up and returned without any hassle. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can enjoy a seamless service from the comfort of your home. In conclusion, repairing the MS15G1 motherboard can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Always ensure you have the right tools and take your time during the process. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.